Hi friends, I'm Dr. SUNIL Prakash and I have been accepted as a presenter at the forthcoming 2024 NGH Convention at Marlborough. I have been given a slot on Friday, 9th of August at 7 p.m. for a 2 hours workshop on the karmic cycle, the reincarnation theory. I'm going to talk and answer the most prominent question everybody asked from themselves. What is the purpose of my life? Why I am here? Here I would like to address the Newton's third law, which says that for any action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is where the karmic theory comes in. Whatever am I doing in this life, there is some action which I am performing, and that action leads to some reaction. This reaction is the karmas which I am trying to create. Now, coming to the details of the karmic theory, we are going to study on the soul script. Do really soul creates a script before coming to our body? No? Yes. It does. I'm going to discuss in detail as to why the soul has to create a script. How does it create a script? When does it create a script? And how does this script affect me in my current life? So, to understand all these things about the karma that are there, what am I doing? How do they affect me physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually in my current life, and what is the effect of these karmas after my death? All these questions will be answered with the theory of mind that will be discussed. So please join me on 9th of August at 7 p.m. at this convention. Looking forward to meet you. Thank you.